Welcome to this new DIY video. What do you need? Belcher chain, clasp, jump rings, 2x flat nose pliers, extension chain and charms. Step 1. Choose your favorite Belcher chain and charms. Step 2. Decide on the order and layout of your charms by placing them in front of the chain. Step 3. Take the middle charm and attach it to the center of the chain using a jump ring. Step 4. Lay the chain down and attach the other charms with jump rings in the chosen spots. Step 5. Attach a clasp to one end of the chain using a jump ring. Step 6. Attach an extension chain to the other end of the chain using a jump ring. Want to explore more DIY projects like this? Follow us for more creative inspiration.